Hello friends, welcome to SmartDiv. I'm Smita with Facts Unknown. Sleep. Sleep occupies nearly a third of our lives, but many of us give surprisingly little attention and care to it. This neglect is often the result of a major misunderstanding. Sleep isn't lost time or just a way to rest when all our important work is done. Instead, it is a critical function during which your body balances and regulates its vital system, affecting respiration and regulating everything from circulation to growth and immune response. Sleep is also crucial for your brain. Memory processing happens from short term memory to long term memory during sleep. Your body and brain adapt to less sleep. It's a myth. Persistent sleep deprivation affects daytime performance, harming decision making, memory, focus, and creativity. With time, insufficient sleep can affect your health, making changes in metabolism, the cardiovascular system, the immune system, hormone production, and mental health. As a result, even if seems like you're getting accustomed to sleep too little, in reality, more serious health problems may be accumulating because of your body's inability to get the rest it needs. You can do it, but it's going to cost you in future. Hitting snooze is better than getting up right away, and it provides extra rest. It's a myth. The snooze bar can provide what seems like precious minute to keep sleeping between alarms, but this time is unlikely to offer meaningful rest. Fragmented sleep is generally not restorative, so you shouldn't count on hitting snooze to help you wake up more refreshed. Alcohol will help you sleep better. A drink or two can be relaxing, inducing drowsiness that makes it easier to initially fall asleep. The problem is that the quality of sleep declines considerably after drinking alcohol. Consuming alcohol before going to bed can throw off your sleep cycles, makes it more likely your sleep will be interrupted and worsens snoring and sleep apnea. Because of its negative effect on sleep, reducing or eliminating alcohol consumption before bed is frequently recognized as an important part of sleep hygiene. During sleep, your brain rests. The body rests during sleep. Despite this fact, the brain remains active, gets recharged, and still controls many body functions, including breathing. But available evidence is showing that cognitive activity when a person is sleeping is distinctly different from wake with eyes closed. Health problems like obesity, hypertension, and depression are unrelated to the amount and quality of person's sleep. Studies have found relationship between the quality and quantity of one's sleep and many health problems such as insufficient sleep affects growth hormone. The amount of hormone secretion decreases, which can cause unhealthy weight gain. Blood pressure decreases during sleep, but interrupted sleep leads to hypertension and cardiac problems. Even insulin production impairs and leads to onset of diabetes. This has been found in recent scientific studies. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Subscribe to SmartDiv for more informative videos.